In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can visualize, share, and also do some basic operations into the cloud with AutoCAD files and also Revit BIM files that we previously created and then we uploaded in our cloud space here in Autodesk Drive. So the first thing we need to do is access to the application, to the web app. So what we can do is search for Autodesk 360 on the web and then click on the first result here. And this is gonna bring you into the drive. So I'm gonna show you all the steps. I'm just gonna leave this one here. And the second thing you need to do is to log in. So once you're logged in into your account, you can then start to upload from your computer. So you just click here, upload, or from Dropbox. You can also create a folder or upload folders. In this case, just for this example, I uploaded two files. One is from AutoCAD, it's a DWG format. The other one is from Revit, and it's RVT format, which is the standard Revit format. So right here in the right side, you can see the DWG. So just double click and it's gonna open up the file that you are interested in reviewing. So you can share these files. You can use this for example, reviewing if you are a student or a professor, you can review an exam, or you can also share it with some colleagues or with a client. So it's pretty useful because you don't need to have the software installed, you just need to have an account, an Autodesk account. Now this is the Revit project, which is pretty heavy, but I can definitely see it pretty good and pretty fast here. This is an entire chopper surface, and right there, if I scroll my scroll wheel, I'm gonna zoom in, and this is a pretty complex project. So I can definitely use it pretty fast. It is not slow. I can zoom in, zoom out, I can select elements. And this is the 3D view right here. So when you are ready to upload your files from the computer, make sure that you have created some sheets. So either for Revit or for AutoCAD here, you need some sheets. So you can create your papers, your sheets in the project. In AutoCAD, these are called layouts. So you can create your layouts and present them. Just like a slideshow, you can get there and present this to your client or whoever is interested. And you can use the 2D view here in AutoCAD. So you have 3D view here in Revit and also the sheets. Well, this is empty. Let's see this other one. So, well, let's wait for that to open up. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna zoom here to show you that you can also not only review the file, not only visualize it, but you can also do some measurements. So if you use measures, you can see here I can measure this bed, or I have, for example, the area. So I can click here. I can use the snaps that I usually use in the software, and I'm gonna click here and try to, well, I have to move this one, so press S. I'm gonna restart again with measure area. Now just be careful there to click and place these points. Well, I went a little bit down there, but it's okay. Okay, now I close this up. Let me zoom here and select that. Okay, and place it right there. So now it's in millimeters, but I can go into settings down here and change this into meters. So it's gonna give me right away the measurements. I can also change the precision if I want something less precise. So you can use this again as a review tool for a project. It can be used by your client, it can be used to show your clients your project, and for all the reasons that you may think of. And this is Revit again. It's already a ready-made layout. So if I zoom in here again with the scroll wheel and press the scroll wheel to pan around, I can see here many views. This is a site plan, and this is plan view. This is the same project, and I can also do measurements here as well. So it's the same exact thing as AutoCAD. So I think this is a wonderful tool to share, to visualize your project. Now, if you go back into the main dashboard, you can see here that I can select this and download it. And there you go, it's going to be downloaded into my computer, so I can bring this into any device. I can delete it. I can also share it by using a link here, and I can decide if this is going to be public, and this is going to be the link, so I can copy this link and share it. I can also decide to allow the download of this for other people, or I can protect this with a password and so on. Well, this time I'm just gonna make it not public, just to show you that this is a really versatile cloud space where you can, again, visualize, upload, download, share the projects and the files that you want. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us just a little bit more, you can join the channel as a supporter. This is gonna help us to create more videos and video guides and video courses that could be of interest for you. And also make sure to check the video courses on the channel. You will find a Revit video course and also an AutoCAD video course. They will be free for the first lessons, so you can check them, see if you like it, and then you can ask for assistance. You can ask for more info. You can type your comments, questions, suggestions, anything that can be helpful to the community. So again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.